Hello students, welcome back to your next video, that is lesson 3, St. Francis and the Wolf. St. Francis and the Wolf part 2. Dear students, in this video we will learn all the question answers exercises of this lesson. So let's start. This is the first exercise, comprehension. Circle A or B the correct answers. Means questions are there and two options A and B, two options are given there. We have to circle the correct answer. Where did the St. Francis live? St. Francis कहाँ रहते थे? Two options are here, Assisi and Bosa. Which is correct? Yes, you all know that is Assisi. St. Francis lived in Assisi. Second, the wolf troubled the villagers of for a long time. Here also two options, Assisi and Gubbio. The wolf troubled. Wolf कौन से गांव के लोगों को परेशान करता था? विलेजर्स को परेशान करता था. उस विलेज का क्या नाम था? Yes, Gubbio. The correct answer is Gubbio. Third, St. Francis asked the villagers to give to the wolf every day. St. Francis ने villagers से क्या कहा? Two options are here, A. food, B. advice. क्या देने को कहा? Food. Yes, A1 is correct. Food. So first is, where did the St. Francis live? Correct answer is Assisi. Second, the wolf troubled the villagers of Gubbio for a long time. Third, St. Francis asked the villagers to give food to the wolf every day. This is the first question, A1. Now we'll move to the next question, A2. Write T true or F false in the boxes. T means true, F means St. Francis was the son of a farmer. क्या ये sentence सही है? नहीं. St. Francis was the son of a merchant. So here we will write false. False means wrong. Second, St. Francis took a knife, an axe and a stick and went to kill the wolf. St. Francis क्या इतना सब सामान लेकर गए थे wolf को kill करने? नहीं. That sentence is also false. The cruel wolf turn into a kind animal in the end. Cruel wolf किस में change हो गया last में? Kind animal में. Yes, this sentence is correct. So for correct sentence we will write true. Third one, complete the sentences with the words and the phrases from the lesson. Next question, complete the sentences with words and phrases from the lesson. Here some sentences are there. We have to complete. हमको ये सेंटेंस कंप्लीट करने हैं. शब्द और फ्रेजेस कहाँ से लेकर? लेसन से ले. फर्स्ट वन, सेंट फ्रांसिस लुक्ड आफ्टर द सिक एंड हेल्प द पुअर पीपल. तो फर्स्ट वन, सेंट फ्रांसिस लुक्ड आफ्टर द सिक एंड हेल्प द पुअर पीपल. Second, the wolf killed the hens, the duck and the sheep of the villagers. Children, जब आप लेसन पढ़ेंगे तो आपको ये फिल करना बहुत इजी लगेगा और हमेशा रिवाइज करते रहना चाहिए. तो जो एक्सरसाइज हैं वो करने में बहुत इजी रहेंगी. थर्ड, the wolf killed the animals because it was hungry. wolf एनिमल्स को क्यों मारता था? क्योंकि वो बहुत भूखा रहता था, हंग्री रहता था. फोर्थ, सेंट फ्रांसिस spoke to the wolf lovingly. सेंट फ्रांसिस ने वोल्फ से किस तरह से बात करी? प्यार से. फिफ्थ, इन द एंड द विलेजर्स बिकेम फ्रेंडली विद द वुल्फ एंड गेव हिम फूड एवरी डे. लास्ट में लेसन में क्या हुआ? क्या चेंज हुआ? वुल्फ जो था वो किसका फ्रेंड बन गया? विलेजर्स का फ्रेंड बन गया और वो विलेजर्स जो थे वो उसको डेली फूड देते. सो दैट इज द थर्ड. द नेक्स्ट वोकैबुलरी दूसरे वर्ड्स में वो हमको कहाँ से लेने हैं? लेसन से. फर्स्ट वन, रामलाल इज अ ट्रेडर and in the bracket with what is written? Merchant. Another word for trader is merchant. He buys and sells clothes. Second, the villagers of Gubbio were terrified. What is the another word for terrified? Frightened of the wolf. Children, these words also called synonyms. जैसे कि हम हिंदी में पढ़ते हैं पर्यायवाची शब्द synonym. Same meaning word. Second is WRITING. The third one is the wolf was a wild and violent. What is the another word for wild and violent? Is savage. Savage animal. Fourth, St. Francis said to the wolf, I'll ask the villagers to give you food daily. What is the another word? What is the another word for daily? Yes, every day. The wolf lifted its foot. What is the another word for foot? Paw. and put it into sense hand. So these are the synonyms: trader, merchant, terrified, frightened, violent, savage, daily, everyday, food, paw. Now this is the next exercise. Writing. Here children choose the word with the correct spelling in each set, then write it in the blanks. As you can see here in this slide, there are 3 columns. In first and second columns there are two spellings of each words. One is correct, another one is wrong. We have to choose the correct spelling and write it into third column. So first one, WRITTING, writing. And second, WRITING, writing. So which is the correct spelling? Yes, WRITING, writing. Second, PENCIL, pencil. What is the correct spelling of pencil? What? PENCIL, pencil, or PENSIL, pencil? Yes, correct spelling is PENCIL, pencil. Friend, FREND, friend. FRIEND, friend. So what is the correct spelling? Yes, you all know. FRIEND, friend. Fourth, gardener. 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 So what is the correct spelling of gardener? GARDENER. Elephant. ELEPHANT. Elephant, or ELEPHANT. Yes, you all know the correct spelling. ELEPHANT. Elephant. Now we'll move to the next exercise. Next part, grammar. Here in this part we will learn past continuous tense. In previous videos I have explained you past tense, present tense. In this chapter we will learn past continuous tense. We'll read these sentences first. First one, the school boy was running to school. As I have explained you before, children, जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया है, past means पुरानी बातें, जो कल हो चुका है उसको हम बोलते हैं पास्ट. और पास्ट कंटिन्यूस मीन्स जो पुरानी बातें चल रही थी उनके बारे में यदि हम बात करते हैं तो दैट इज कॉल्ड पास्ट कंटिन्यूस. स्कूल बॉय वॉज रनिंग टू स्कूल. रीटा एंड वीरेन वॉज सिंगिंग अ फनी सॉन्ग. मीन्स कल जो हो रहा था उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड पास्ट कंटिन्यूस. वॉज रनिंग. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर वन थिंग हियर. फॉर वन पर्सन वी आर यूजिंग वॉज. एक व्यक्ति के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? वॉज. जैसा कि हम प्रेजेंट टेंस में क्या यूज करते हैं? इज. पर पास्ट टेंस में क्या यूज करते हैं? वॉज. फॉर सिंगुलर वॉज एंड फॉर प्लूरल वर. प्लूरल मीन्स एक से अधिक, मोर देन वन, टू और मोर देन. रीटा एंड वीरेन, वन बॉय एंड वन गर्ल. फॉर दैट वी विल यूज वर. एंड द स्कूल बॉय, that is only one boy. That's why we have used here was. The school boy was running to school and Rita and Viren were singing a funny song. Continuous tense में एक और चीज़ ध्यान रखने वाली है. जो भी verb होती है, जो भी action word होता है, उसमें हम क्या ऐड करते हैं? ing. The past continuous tense tells us about actions which were going, जो past में. In past continuous tense we use was or were, जैसा कि मैंने अभी आपको बताया. और प्लस ing फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. और वर्ब में हम क्या ऐड करते हैं? ing. हियर सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ पास्ट टेंस और नेगेटिव पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस. आई वॉज ईटिंग. I was not eating. That is negative sentence. Wasn't eating. That is short form. You were eating. You were not eating. Weren't eating. He was eating. He was not eating. Wasn't eating. She was eating. She was not eating. Wasn't eating. It was eating. It was not eating. Wasn't eating. These are the some examples of past continuous tense. This is the next exercise of past continuous tense. Fill in the blanks with was or were and the verb given within brackets. Add ing to the verb. As you can see here, children, in the bracket verbs are given. We have to add ing in the given verb. First, the puppies were barking for food and the verb is given in the bracket. Bark. B-A-R-K. Bark. And here we have written were. Why we have written here? यहाँ हमने were क्यों लिखा है? क्योंकि there are many puppies. It is not one puppy. There are many puppies. That's why we used here were. And in bark, what we have added? ing. हमने क्या ऐड किया उसमें? ing. The puppies were barking for food. Second, the girl was combing her hair. Comb. What we have added in com? ing. हमने क्या ऐड किया com में? ing. तो वो क्या हो गया? Combing. और girl, only one girl is there. That's why we wrote there was. The girl was combing her hair. Third, the monkey was teasing the tiger. Monkey is also a singular noun. What we have added? ing. Children, one thing you have to remember here, जब भी ई रहेगा लास्ट में किसी भी वर्ब में हम उसको रिमूव कर देंगे, हम उसकी जगह क्या ऐड करेंगे? ing. जैसे कि टीज की स्पेलिंग क्या थी? TEASE. तो जब भी लास्ट में ई रहेगा किसी भी वर्ब में हम उसको हटाकर उसकी जगह क्या ऐड करेंगे? ing. The monkey was teasing the tiger. Fourth, the old people were sitting on the benches in the park. And old people means बहुत से old people थे, इसलिए हमने क्या यूज किया? वर. और सिटिंग में डबल टी क्यों लगाया? तो ये भी एक ध्यान देने की चीज है, जब भी वर्ब में सिट लास्ट वर्ड के पहले आई मीन्स वॉवेल रहता है, तब भी जो लास्ट वर्ड रहता है वो डबल हो जाता है, इसलिए हमने सिटिंग की स्पेलिंग क्या लिखी है? SITTING, सिटिंग. The old people were sitting on the benches in the park. Fifth, the dog was chasing the cat this morning. Dog, only one dog is there. That's why we wrote there was. और फिर से आप देखिए फिफ्थ में चेज की स्पेलिंग क्या है? CHASE. लास्ट में क्या है? ई. हमने ई को हटाकर क्या ऐड किया? ing. क्या हो गई स्पेलिंग? CHASING. chasing. The dog was chasing the cat in the morning. Sixth, Noor was swimming and Simran was lying on the grass. Here two verbs are there, swim and lie. In first one we will write swimming and second one we will write lying. But Noor is only a one girl, that's why we wrote there was. And SWIM, swim. और लास्ट लेटर के पहले क्या है? वोवल आई, इसलिए लास्ट लेटर क्या हो गया? डबल. स्विमिंग, SWIMMING, स्विमिंग. लाइंग, दो वोवल्स हैं तो लास्ट में ई है, ई को हटाकर और आई और ई को हटाकर क्या करेंगे? LYING, लाइंग. दिस इज द एक्सरसाइज ऑफ पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. Now, this is the next question. Change the following sentences into negative sentences. As we have learned before in examples, how we will change a simple sentence into negative sentences. So, same we will use in this exercise. First one, the old woman was humming a song. This is simple sentence. Simple past continuous. The old woman was not humming a song. यहाँ पर हमने वर्ब के पहले, एक्शन वर्ड के पहले क्या यूज किया है? नॉट. द ओल्ड वुमन वॉज नॉट हमिंग अ सॉन्ग. सेकेंड, एन ईगल वॉज फ्लाइंग हाई इन द स्काई. सेकेंड आंसर, एन ईगल वॉज नॉट फ्लाइंग इन द स्काई. थर्ड, the school girls were crossing the road. The school girls were not crossing the road. Simply we have used here not. A parrot was eating a pomegranate. A parrot was not eating a pomegranate. Fifth, the boys were flying kites. The boys were not flying kites. लड़के पतंग उड़ा रहे थे. Simple sentence, लड़के पतंग नहीं उड़ा रहे थे. The boys were not flying the kite. Now we will move to the next exercise. Complete the answers. Put a full stop at the end of the sentences. Here these are the short answers. Short form में हमको answers लिखने हैं. Were you feeling happy yesterday? क्या तुम yesterday happy feel कर रहे थे? जिस तरह आपसे कोई पूछता है तुम्हें आज कैसा लग रहा है, तो हम कहते हैं अच्छा. This is called short answer. So like that do here. Were you feeling happy yesterday? Yes, I was. Next, was the clown crying? Answer, no, he was not. Third, were the deer drinking water? Yes, they were. Fourth, was Ravi riding a horse? No, he was not. These all are short answers. Fifth, were you taking a picture of your friend? Yes, I was. Were the children praying? Yes, they were. These all are short answers. Children, I hope you understood all these exercises and question answers. Now learn all these and practice this. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.